If your Studio Ghibli filter is not working on ChatGPT, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a super common problem, and most of the time it comes down to the prompt, the image upload, feature availability, or even just a temporary glitch on the server. So if you've been trying to get that beautiful Studio Ghibli style look and ChatGPT just isn't responding the way you want, stay with me, because we're going to fix it together. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe, because I'm going to keep making easy tutorials like this to help you solve these kinds of problems fast. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to understand is that using the right prompt makes a huge difference. A lot of people simply type something like Ghibli filter and expect ChatGPT to instantly know what they mean, but that is usually too vague. Instead, you want to be much more specific with your wording. Try saying, create this image in Studio Ghibli style. Soft lighting, anime background, detailed characters. That gives the model more direction and helps it generate a result much closer to what you want. The more clear and descriptive your prompt is, the better the output will be. So if the filter is not working, the first fix is always to improve your prompt before trying anything else. Next, make sure you are uploading the image properly. If you are trying to edit or transform an image, click the Upload button and select the image from your device. Also, check that the image is actually clear and not blurry or low quality. A poor image can make the result look wrong or cause the tool to behave unpredictably. If possible, use a clean, sharp image with good lighting and a visible subject. This gives ChatGPT a much better starting point and can help the Studio Ghibli style come through more accurately. So if your filter is failing, the image itself could be the issue. Now let's talk about feature availability, because this is another big reason the Studio Ghibli filter may not be working. Not every version of ChatGPT has the same image editing capabilities, and some features may only be available in certain plans, certain models, or the latest app versions. If the option is missing or the result is not generating properly, try switching the model if that is available to you. You should also check whether your app needs an update. Sometimes a simple update restores access to features that were not working before. So if you have the right prompt and a good image, but still no success, feature availability is the next thing to check. If it still isn't working, the next step is to retry or refresh. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. ChatGPT servers can get busy, and image features may slow down or stop responding temporarily. Refresh the page, wait a little while, and try again after some time. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it. If you are using a browser, try a refresh, or even sign out and back in. These simple steps can solve temporary glitches faster than you might expect. So don't assume something is broken permanently if it fails once. A lot of the time, a refresh is enough. To quickly recap, if your Studio Ghibli filter is not working on ChatGPT, first use a more detailed prompt, then upload a clear image, then check whether the feature is actually available in your version, and finally, refresh or try again later if the servers are busy. That combination fixes the issue for most people. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and AI tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.